Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a great day. I figured I'd share a new hobby that I got. Like I really need another one, but I ended up getting a slot car over, I guess it was New Year's break. I ended up getting one and I've been playing with it for a while and actually got a few cars for it that I figured I'd share. So I did get the Top Fuel dragsters. These are all done by Auto World. It's nice that they still make slot cars. But this is a Auto World 4 gears chassis. They just take the front wheels off and screw this piece on. It goes around the back and goes on there. I do have the drag strip that has the lights and everything, so you can actually have a nice fun drag. A lot of neat detail in there. The guy is actually in there, but he's all black just like everything else, so I might try to paint him. I don't know, we'll see. Just paint his helmet red or something like that, just so you see him. But I guess that would be she, because that's Pritchett in that one. Or that's who it's supposed to be, Leah Pritchett. And then I got this one as well. Now, these ones, when they come, I got them new out of the kit. This one was missing one of the shoes, so I was a little upset about that. And these ones actually need kind of tweaked in. It seems like in shipping, the brushes inside the motor on the aperture right there, you can see it. They're right in these spring loads there. They seem like they don't go in the right spot, and it seems to bog them down. One of those still needs a little bit of work. And then I got the Snake and Mongoose. These are the ones that came with the kit, the drag racing set I got. So you get Don Prudhomme. They got the cool wheelie bars, the big tires in the back, parachute. And if you notice, these tires are not the same as those. These are the silicone ones, and then these are just the standard tires, and even the rim is different as well. So at least they go out of the way and add a little bit of the details to it and make them look nice. I used to remember playing with my dad's slot cars a lot when I was a kid. I had a lot of fun with it. So this is the inside of the 4 gears. As you can tell, there's 4 gears, and they got the apertures in the blade. You can adjust that. This one runs pretty good. This one was actually slower than the red one at first, and then something happened to the red one. I had it going around the track quite a bit, and then all of a sudden one of those brushes seemed like they got a little loose on it. There's the old Mongoose. Got the cool blowers. Get it in focus there. A lot of fun. And then the other day I was at a hobby shop. My girlfriend saw this one. She really wanted that, the Impala. Now this one is not one of the 4 gears. The other ones are 4 gears. This one is a Thunderjet Ultra G. That's a little different. This one was, let's see, it's got the one magnet, different brushes, a little bit different shoes. This one you can't take the body right off. It's actually screwed on, so it's not on there with clips. Much smaller back tires, but it does drive really good. I think when these are actually running prime, they're a little bit faster than these, but for round track that would be alright. But it's got the one magnet. If you notice the 4 gears, they actually have the 2 magnets. But I've noticed a lot of people on the internet, they'll actually pop one of the magnets out to get a little bit more speed on them. They'll sacrifice a little bit of it staying on the track versus some for speed, because it's pushing down too hard, and you can feel it when you get on that track. This one, see, you can move it a lot easier. So it's a difference in that magnet. And then I got this one. This is the X-Traction, which is Ultra G as well. And this one is Grumpy's Toy. It says is the Camaro. That's the bottom of that, so you can see we got a little bit of wear. This one's got a magnet on the opposite side. It's a much smaller than the 4G. I shouldn't say much smaller, but it is smaller. This one out of all of them seems to be the best. Seems to be the most reliable. You can see it's just a three gear. They sure do collect the hair. That one has the brushes in it and all that. It's a lot lighter too. But yeah, I really like that body. You got the stickers on the back. They did a really great job detailing it. So this was the one I picked, since we both were getting a kit, or getting a car. But I figured I'd share one of my newer hobbies. Like I need another one. But maybe I'll have a video up one of these days of these cars going around the track and having Sylvester chase after him. The other day when I was playing with him, he was running from one end of the house to the other end of the house trying to get him. So it was pretty funny. I think he had a fun time. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.